Dear Mannerites and parents, I'm here once again with the mission of introducing our new principal, Brother Joseph M. Joseph, to each of you. A couple of days back, we had a meeting with the staff to introduce the new principal to the entire staff fraternity. And today, I'm here to introduce Brother Joseph to the Mannerite family. Brother Joseph will be taking charge officially as the 50th principal of St. George's College with effect from 1st July. I wish him all the very best on this occasion as he intends to take the school to the next level. As I pass on the mantle to Brother Joseph, I would like to thank each of you once again, and along with you, I would like to wish Brother Joseph the very best for his future plans. And I'm sure on his able shoulders and his caring hands, your children, the Mannerites, and you parents will be safe and secure, and in his able leadership, St. George's College will emerge even stronger in the future. I wish him all the very best, and hopefully we'll see you all in the near future, and I always will wait to hear wonderful stories, winning stories, success stories, and good news from St. George's College at all times. I wait to hear the news that we emerge and sustain our position at the top of the chart when it comes to rating and ranking of our students and the school at the national and international level. God bless St. George's. God bless you, dear Mannerites, and God bless Brother Joseph and the entire faculty and the entire Mannerite, old, new, and the future. God bless everyone. Love you all. So, welcome Brother Joseph to St. George's, and wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Please come. Yeah. Yes. All yours. Okay, so all the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, dear Brother Tommy. Good day, dear parents and Mannerites. As you all are aware that most of the brothers who were with you for the first few years have been transferred to different school communities, and a new team of brothers have taken charge of the administration of St. George's College from June 20th, 2020. It is very unfortunate that all of you are at home when such changes take place here in the school. The COVID-19 pandemic has separated us for a short time now, and I wish and pray that our students will be able to return to their second home, begin their school life soon. As we bid farewell to all the brothers, I wish to express my deep sense of gratitude to all of them for their commitment and dedication with which they brought SGC to its present glory. I especially appreciate and thank Brother Tommy and Brother Carol for their leadership roles, under whose watch SGC has seen amazing transformation in every sphere of school life in the last 6 years. I assure you that we will continue to strive to create a healthy atmosphere in SGC for the holistic development of every child under our care. I succeed Brother Tommy as the principal of SGC, along with Brother Ernest Goodane as the vice principal and Brother Vincent as the community leader. Other brothers in the school community are Brother Xavier, Astinus, and Brother Anup. We look forward to meeting you all soon in St. George's College and seek your full support and cooperation. Please stay safe and God bless you all.